Let me guess your day. You wake up early, you rush to work, you sit at your job for 8, 9, sometimes 10 hours. You come home, you feel tired, you eat something, you scroll social media a little, and then it's time to sleep and do it all over again and again. And somewhere in there, you keep telling yourself, I just don't have enough time. My friend, I get it. I used to live the exact same way. So what I'm gonna say here is coming from a real life experience, and here is the truth that took me years to understand. You don't actually have a time problem because you have the same 24 hours as the most successful person you can think of. The same 24 hours. The problem is not your job. The problem is in the box you put most of your time in, because after your 9 to 5 you still have few hours that belong to you, and there are only 4 boxes you can spend those hours in. Only 4. And most people working a 9 to 5, they waste their valuable hours into the wrong 2 boxes, and then they wonder why their life never changed. Hi, I am Max. In this video, I'm gonna show you the 4 boxes you can spend your time in, especially for people who work a 9 to 5 job, because they usually struggle a lot with their time. And by the end, you will know exactly which box is stealing the little free time you have, and which box you need to protect if you actually want to build a better life outside of your job. I'm gonna keep it super simple, okay? And I am saving box number 3 for the end, because for a 9 to 5 person, that box is everything. So stick with me till there. The idea here is that everything you do fits into 2 questions. Is it important and is it urgent? Mix these 2 together and you get 4 boxes. Let me walk you through each one, the way they actually show up in a working person's life. Box number 1, important and urgent. For you, this is your job, your task, your deadlines, your boss, the bills you have to pay this week, the stuff you simply cannot ignore. And look, you cannot escape this box, okay? You still need your job, it pays your rent, it feeds your family, it keeps your life running. So this is not the bad box, okay? But here is what nobody tells you. You cannot grow inside box number 1. Your 9 to 5 keeps you alive, but it does not move you forward, because the second they cut your paycheck, you are done. Remember, in my other videos, I always say one income source is a big risk. This is exactly it. If your whole life is only your job, you are standing on one leg, and one leg is never safe. And always remember, your job pays you just enough to keep you coming back tomorrow. Now, box number 2 is urgent but not important. This one is kinda sneaky. Urgent but not important. For a 9 to 5 person, this is the work that follows you home, the emails that comes at 9 p.m. and the boss who asks for a quick favor on your day off, the group chat that never stop buzzing, the co-worker drama, the feeling that you always have to be available. But here is the trap. This is other people's urgent, not your important. You already gave them your 9 to 5. Now they are reaching into your free time too, and the few hours that were supposed to be yours, the hours where you could actually build something, they get eaten alive by stuff that only matters to other people. I think it's okay to work a little outside your job time, but you gotta be very careful with this box by setting some limits. It makes you feel productive while it quietly steals your future. Now, box number 4, not important and not urgent. Now, before I give you the best box, let me show you the killer. Box number 4, not important and not urgent. This is the after work collapse. You get home exhausted, you drop on the couch, you pick up your phone just for 5 minutes, and suddenly 2 hours are gone. The scrolling, the random videos, the stuff that gives you a little dopamine and leave you with nothing. And I'm not judging you, okay? I do that too. But let me do a quick math with you, the same way I do with money. Let's say after work you scroll just 2 hours a day, only 2 hours. That's 730 hours a year. 730 hours. You know what does that mean? That's 30 full days. A whole month of your life, every single year, gone into a screen. Now imagine if you spend even half of that just building something for yourself. Let me tell you about a guy I used to work with. Let's call him him Sam. Sam and I started at the same company, same desk, same salary, same year. And Sam always talked about his dreams. He wanted to learn a skill, he wanted to learn something on the side and stop depending on the job. He would say, man, once things calm down, once I have some free time, I will start. Every single year, the same line. When I have time, when I have time. But here is what was really happening. Sam gave 8 hours to box 1. Then box 2 followed him home. And then he collapsed into box 4 every single night. And box 3, he never touched it. Not once. So years went by and Sam is still at the same desk. Same salary, same complaints, same dreams. And the sad part, he still believes his problem is with time. Now finally, box 3, not urgent but important. The one I saved for the end, because for a working person, this box is your only real way out. Not urgent but important. This is learning a skill after work, studying the course on your lunch break, building a second income on the weekend, working on your health, reading 20 minutes before bed. This is the box where you slowly become someone who is not trapped by a single paycheck anymore. Now here is why this box is so powerful and so dangerous at the same time. Nothing in this box is screaming at you. There's no boss, no deadlines, no notifications, and usually this box is boring. You can skip it today and nothing bad happens. You can skip it tomorrow and nothing bad happens. And that is exactly the trap. You can skip it for 10 years and then you wake up one day still in the same job, same place, same life. Box 3 does not banish you today. It will banish you 10 years from now. Now listen carefully. This is the most important part in this video. The people who escape the 9 to 5, the people who build a second door for themselves, they are obsessed with box 3 while everybody else comes home and drown in box 4. These people spend even just 1 hour building quietly where nobody is watching and nobody is clapping. That's the whole secret. That's the game you need to play. Alright Max, so how can I fix this? 3 simple moves built for a real 9 to 5 schedule. Number 1, steal 1 hour for box 3 before the world wakes up. Wake up 1 hour earlier, before work, before the emails, before anyone can pull you into their urgent stuff. That 1 quiet hour is yours and it's enough to change your life over time. Step number 2, try to minimize the time you put in box 2 after work. Turn off the work notifications, stop answering quick favors at 9 p.m. You might be helping sometimes, but not every time, okay? Step number 3, put a limit on box 4. And look, I'm not telling you to never relax, okay? After a long day, you deserve a rest, but set a limit. Don't let the couch and the phone eat your whole evening. Use box 4 as a small reward after box 3, not as your entire night, okay? And look my friend, I'm not perfect and you're not perfect too, right? After a long day, we still catch ourselves melting into the couch, scrolling for an hour like a zombie. That's actually normal. The goal here is not to be perfect. The goal is to give box 3 just a little more time every day, even 30 minutes. Small, but every single day. Because remember, when you are working a job and starting from nothing, your free time is the most valuable asset you have. Don't hand your most valuable hours to your cheapest activities. So here is my question for you. After your 9 to 5, which box are you living in? Drop it in the comments and I will read them all. Like this video to support me keeping up, and remember, I will always be cheering you on from afar.